is Jam. Jam is a short talk which is given in just 1 minute, normally about 120 to 150 words long. To deliver a good 1 minute speech on any topic, you should know your topic very well and speak from your heart. Now, I'm going to give you some tips for you to deliver an impactful short talk. Number 1, write an outline. Plan what you want to say because you have to condense your information into only the most useful points. I think outlining will make you have an organized speech. It will be structured and you will never forget things that you want to include in your speaking. Number 2, use simple structure IBC. So it stands for introduction, body, and closing. So in the introduction, you introduce your topic or your theme in a very interesting way. For example, using a question, using a hook, quotes, or surprising or even interesting facts. Then you can add contents to your body of presentation by defining the 3 key points of the theme that you plan in your topic. Now when you deliver, do not forget to use transitional signals to connect between sentences or ideas in your elaborations. And then you can give the close the speech by summarizing the theme and give a final comment. Now what is the third? So the third is you have to connect to your listeners too, because engagement is very important. So try to be conversational with your audience. So engage them with your friendly tone, with your invitation or suggestions, or probably even jokes or humor. Now I kind of want to make it clearer, so let me put it this way. So one more time I'm going to explain how to deliver a very short talk here. So you have to make sure for a good and impactful short talk here, you present something that is exceptionally clear. The message must be clear and that you know the topic so well. I normally use a very narrow enough theme to share with my audience. For example, I want to talk about a change in our daily habit or in our way of working. Then I'll come up with a theme, maybe starting like this. So I will write the outline for my IBC and that simple structure for my speech here. So my headline with 3 supporting reasons. So for example, we must change the way we work for 3 important reasons: to make us happy, to be more efficient, and to save time. With that narrow enough topic, then you can manage to elaborate the 3 things sufficiently during the talk. Now then I can plan my closing with a memorable message. For example, I can put in a thought-provoking quote at the end of my speech. Well, those are my tips to prepare for a jam. Have a try, guys. Let me know if this